student, welcome back. We are learning the math second exercise 1.1 from complex number. Now the next question is about if a plus 3i upon 2 plus aib is equal to 1 minus I, then show that 5a minus 7b is equal to 0. Students, we are learning the complex number, and the basic things of that, the complex number is denoted or it is written in the form of a plus bi. In that already I have told you, the first part is real part and the second part is imaginary part. Now the condition is given. Now we'll start with this condition. A plus 3i upon 2 plus ib is equal to 1 minus I. Take the denominator to the RHS. Our denominator RHS में नेलर multiplication बदल दो. Therefore, a plus 3i is equal to 1 minus I into this term 2 plus ib. We cannot solve the LHS. Keep this LHS as it is equal to. Do the multiplication of this complex number. Now multiply this 1 to this both the terms. 1 into 2, 2. 1 into id, that is id. Negative I into 2, that is negative 2i. Negative I into ib, negative I square b. As we know, the value of I square is negative 1. Therefore, 3 plus I is equal to. Now take the equal terms at one end. ib and 2i, both the terms contains I value. And these two plus, take the common I, b minus 2 into I minus. Now see, the value of I square is negative 1. Negative 1 into negative, that is positive 1 into b. Give the reason I square is equals to 1. हे जेव्हा मल्टिप्लिकेशन केलं त्याच्यानंतर आपल्याला आन्सर आलं 1 into 2 2 1 into ib negative I into 2, that is negative 2i. Negative I into ib, I square b. The value of I square is negative 1. This negative 1 into negative becomes positive 1, and 1 into any term is same as that. So b. A plus 3i is equal to. Now these 2 and b are the constant term or real terms. So take them together. Plus b minus 2i. See student, this is also one complex number and this is also one complex number. Here the value of a, real part is this. Real part म्हणजे काय, ज्याच्यामध्ये I नसतो अशा टर्म्सला म्हणतात रियल पार्ट. b minus 2 आणि यांच्या बाजूला I आहे म्हणून हा झाला इमॅजिनरी पार्ट. Equating both complex numbers. So compare equal part, imaginary part to imaginary and real part to real part. Therefore, a is equal to 2 plus b and 3i is equal to b minus 2i. This I and this I get cancelled. So we get 3 is equal to b minus 2. Therefore, take this 2 to this side. So it becomes 3 plus 2 is equal to b. Therefore, the value of b is 5. See student, when we solve this side, we get b is equal to 5. Now keep this 5 value to this equation. A is equal to 2 plus 5 is equal to 7. So we get the value of a as 7 and b as 5. But what we want to prove? Show that 5a minus 7b is equal to 0. Therefore, 5a minus 7b is equal to 5 into 7 minus 7 into 5 is equal to 0. Hence, we can prove 5a minus 7b is equals to 0. Second is show that root 7 plus I root 3 upon root 7 plus I into root 3 plus root 7 minus I root 3 root 7 plus I root 3. हे जे दोन कॉम्प्लेक्स नंबर्स दिले त्यांना सॉल्व केल्यावर किंवा तो जरी दिसताना कॉम्प्लेक्स नंबर दिसत असेल but you have to show that it is a real number. So the given number is root 7 plus I root 3 upon root 7 plus I root 3 plus root 7 minus I root 3 upon root 7 plus I root 3. Once we check the question, see, it's a mistake. Here it is given plus, it should, and in denominator it is minus, and in next it is minus and this is plus. So here we will change it. So student, while writing, please keep the textbook with you. Now see, this is the given number. Now we will show that it is a real number. Suppose this is the fractions. How we are doing the addition of fraction? By doing cross multiplication. Now this term into this term. Root 7 plus I root 3 into this term. Root 7 plus I root 3 plus this term into this term. Root 7 minus I root 3 into root 7 minus I root 3 upon. See, cross multiplication. Numerator to denominator plus this denominator into numerator, and in denominator multiplication of this both. Root 3 minus I root 3 into root 7 plus I root 3. Same number multiplied by same number, so it gives the square number. Root 7 plus I root 3 bracket square. 5 into 5, 5 square, same. Plus root 7 plus I root 3 bracket square. Here we use the identity a minus b, a plus b. The addition and subtraction of same term. It is the expansion of a square minus b square, means root 7 square minus I root 3 bracket square. Now when we open this bracket, root 7, a plus b bracket square, root 7 square, 7 plus 2 root 7 into root 3i plus I square into 3 plus again root 7, a minus b bracket square means a square minus 2ab plus b square, म्हणजे पहिल्या टर्मचा स्क्वेअर म्हणून तो झाला 7 मायनस दोघांची मल्टिप्लिकेशन into 2. आधी 7 मिळाले, मल्टिप्लिकेशन मध्ये ऑर्डर चेंज केली चालते, प्लस I square into 3 upon square of 7 is 7, square of root 3 is 3, and I square, that is negative 1. So 3 into negative 1 become negative, negative, positive. Now here, this is the positive term and this is negative term. So we can cancel these both the term. I square means negative 1, negative 1 into 3, negative 3, and this is also negative 3. See, 7, this 7 plus 7 is 14. I square, negative 1 into 3, negative 3. Again this I square, 7 plus 7 already we have written. This negative 3 and this negative 3 upon 7 plus 3 means 10. 14 minus 6 upon 10, so 8 upon 10 or 4 upon 5 belongs to real number. So the given number is real number. This way we have proven. So student, here we are at the end of this exercise. This is the question number 24. In that 4 sub questions are given. What is the question? Find the value of x and y. या ह्याच्यामध्ये या एक्सप्रेशन मध्ये म्हणजे जर याला कॉम्प्लेक्स नंबर आहे तर याच्यामध्ये x आणि y व्हॅल्यूज आहेत, तर या x आणि y ची व्हॅल्यू आपल्याला फाइंड आउट करायची म्हणजे सॉल्व करायचं आहे. ठीक आहे, मग आता x plus 2y plus 2x minus 3y I plus 4i is equal to 5. आता याच्यातले शिफ्ट करता येण्यासारखा टर्म सध्या आपल्याकडे फक्त हा आहे 4i. नाउ शिफ्ट दॅट 4i दॅट साइड. x plus 2y plus 2x, remove the brackets, 2x minus sorry, इथे I ने मल्टीप्लाई केलं, I into 2x, 2x side minus 3 by I. See student, here the first bracket as it is, The second bracket is multiplied with the I. So 2x into I, negative 3y into I, and shift this 4i to that side. Means we can compare the complex number. Now what is common in these two? See, in these two numbers, here I is common. So okay, we can solve it this way also. But without x plus 2y plus 2x minus 3y. See student, this is the real part. Compare with this real part. Equality or comparing x plus 2y. हा जो रियल पार्ट आहे त्याची व्हॅल्यू किती आहे 5 and हा जो इमॅजिनरी पार्ट आहे 2x minus 3y I is equal to negative 4i. Just what we have done, just shift this positive 4i to that side, so we get the numbers for comparison. This is real part to real part, imaginary part to imaginary part. Therefore, x plus 2y is equal to 5. Keep it as it is. Now we'll solve this one. I and I get cancelled. 2x minus 3y is equal to negative 4. And here x plus 2y is equal to 5. Now the equation turns into the linear equation. आपण जे 10th standard मध्ये linear equation solve करायचो. x plus y something, x minus y something. मात्र बघा, जर x किंवा y ची व्हॅल्यू फाइंड आउट करायची असेल तर त्याचे कोएफिशिएंट सेम पाहिजे. इथे 2 आहे, इथे x आहे. मल्टिप्लाय दिस इक्वेशन 1 multiplying equation 1 by 2. Therefore, equation 1 becomes, see, multiply this equation by 2. 2 into x, 2x. 2 into 2y, 4y. 2 into 5, 10. This is equation number 3. Now, easily we can cancel this 2x and 2x. So, adding, subtract equation 2 from 3. हे इक्वेशन या इक्वेशन मधनं सबट्रॅक्ट करायचं. So the equation is 2x plus 4y is equal to 2. When you are subtracting any equation, change the sign of that equation. मग आपण याला मायनस करतोय, मग याची साइन चेंज होती. minus 2x, this minus become plus 3y is equal to this minus again become plus 2x minus 2x cancel, 4y plus 3y, that is 7y, 10 plus 4, 14, therefore y value is 2. Put y is equal to 2 in equation 1. What is the equation 1? You can put it in any equation. आपल्याकडे 3 इक्वेशन्स आहेत, त्याच्यातल्या कोणत्याही याच्यात तुम्ही पुट डाउन करू शकता. बट कंपॅरेटिव्हली फर्स्ट इक्वेशन थोडंसं इझी आहे. ठीक आहे. नाउ पुट द y value 2 in that. Therefore x plus 2 into 2 is equal to 5. Therefore x is equal to this, shift this 4 to that side. 5 minus 4. So the x is equals to 1. So after solving this, we get the answer of y as a 2 and answer of x as a 1. Student, simple sum होता. याच्यातले इमॅजिनरी पार्ट आपण फक्त त्या साईडला शिफ्ट केला. त्याच्यानंतर फक्त रिअल टर्मशी इक्वेट केले, कंपेअर केले. इमॅजिनरीशी झाला. तिथे आपल्याला 2 लिनियर इक्वेशन्स मिळाले, जे आपण 9, 10 मध्ये लर्न केलेले आहेत. लिनियर इक्वेशन्स कसे सॉल्व्ह करतात, तर त्यांचा कोएफिशिएंट सेम असेल तर आपण त्याला मायनस करू, त्या x ला कॅन्सल करून y ची व्हॅल्यू फाइंड आउट करतो. आफ्टर गेटिंग द व्हॅल्यू ऑफ y, पुट इट इन एनी इक्वेशन and get the value of x. The next question is x plus 1 upon 1 plus I plus y minus 1 upon 1 minus I is equal to I. Here also we want to find out the value of I. X plus 1 upon 1 plus I, y minus 1 upon 1 minus I and I. Okay. Now, again if you will do the addition of these two numbers, the base are different. So let's do the cross multiplication. X plus 1 into 1 minus I plus y minus 1 into 1 plus I. बघा मित्रांनो, जरी आपण कॉम्प्लेक्स नंबर सॉल्व करत असेल तर सगळे रूल्स जे ते जसे आपण फ्रॅक्शन साठी सॉल्व करायचो, जसं 1/4 प्लस 2/3 असेल तर तुम्ही क्रॉस मल्टिप्लिकेशन करायचे आणि देन सॉल्व करायचे. सिमिलरली तेच आहे, फक्त आता लिहिताना त्याच्यामध्ये इमॅजिनरी पार्ट म्हणजे आय कॅरी करायचा. ठीक आहे, बाकी प्रोसेस बेसिक सेम आहे. अपॉन क्रॉस मल्टिप्लिकेशन आणि डिनॉमिनेटर मल्टिप्लिकेशन ऑफ बोथ is equal to I as it is. Now do the multiplication of this binomial to binomial. X into 1 x, x into I negative xi, 1 into 1 1, 1 into negative I plus y into 1 y into I, negative 1 into 1 negative 1, negative 1 into I, negative I upon a plus b, a minus b, this a squared minus b squared. आतापर्यंत तुम्हाला हे सगळे फॉर्म्युले लर्न झाले पाहिजे. सेम नंबरचे एकदा ऍडिशन एकदा सबट्रॅक्शन दिसली की लगेच तुम्हाला ब्लिंक झालं पाहिजे की इथे कोणता फॉर्म्युला यूज करायचा आहे. मग इथे फॉर्म्युला आहे तो फर्स्ट टर्मचा स्क्वेअर मायनस सेकंड टर्मचा स्क्वेअर इज इक्वल टू नेगेटिव्ह आय ॲज इट इज. नाउ सी इन न्यूमरेटर can we cancel it out? Yes, this positive one and negative one. Negative, no sorry. This is negative I and this is also negative, so we cannot cancel it again. Okay, now see what is remaining. X minus xi minus I plus 1 plus yi minus I upon 1 square 1 I square negative 1, this negative 1 into negative 1 into negative, so it becomes positive 1 is equal to I. See student, when we shift this 1 plus 1 2, shift this 2 to that side. Okay, now here this negative I and this negative I become negative 2i x plus y at one end minus xi plus yi negative I negative 2i is equal to 2 into I. See student, x as it is, this y, this xi, this yi, negative I, 2i. Now, what is common from these three? We can take out I as a common. Therefore, x plus y minus. If you are taking x negative outside, so the inside all the terms become change. See, this x was negative, but we have written it as a positive. Minus 1 plus 2 into I is equal to 2I. Minus into x minus xi minus minus positive y minus 2 as it is. Now compare this. Now this is just an imaginary term, so we can write it as x plus y minus x plus y. Sorry, x minus 1 plus 2i is equal to 0 plus 2i. This is purely imaginary number, but we can write in a form of 0 plus 2i by comparing. Therefore, now these both the complex numbers are equal. So compare real to real and imaginary to imaginary. X plus y is equal to 0. Therefore, x is equal to y. Now, negative x minus y plus 2 into I is equal to 2I. Again this I get cancelled. Therefore, negative x, negative positive y, negative positive negative 2 is equal to 2. See student, this I when turns to that side, I upon I become 1. Now take this 2 to this side, negative x plus y. Should this 2 to negative 2 RHS, so it becomes positive 2 and 2 plus 2 is 4. But x is equal to y. Therefore, instead of x, we can write y over there. X is equals to y. Therefore, negative x plus, instead of y, we can write x there. Or instead of x, we can write y there. Anything. X is equal to y. So, this negative y plus y is equal to 4. Yes student, I have made one little mistake. See, x plus y is equal to 0, that way I have written. But when we shift the y to that side, x is equal to negative y. So make the correction there. So here it is not x is equal to y, it is x is equal to negative y. So we will solve it again. Now, therefore x plus y negative x minus y plus 2i is equal to 2i. Therefore negative x positive y, negative x negative positive y, negative positive negative 2 is equal to 2. I cancel. As already I explained that. Negative x plus y, this negative 2 shift to that side, so it is 4. Therefore, now x is equal to negative 1. Therefore, as we open, as x is equal to negative 1, change that. Okay. But x च्या जागी negative 1. A negative as it is. Instead of x, we can write negative 1 plus y is equal to 4. Therefore, negative positive y plus y is equal to 4. So, 2y is equal to 4. Therefore, y is equal to 2. And x is equal to negative y. Therefore, x is equal to negative 2. So, this way we can find out the value of x and y. Now, the fourth question is somewhat different. Find x plus y. सेम करायचं आहे. आधी x ची व्हॅल्यू y ची व्हॅल्यू फाइंड आउट करायची, त्याच्यानंतर x plus y करायचे. ओके. नाउ सी. The given complex number is x into 1 plus 3i plus y into 2 minus I minus 5 plus, say student, I cube. I square into I. What is I cube? I square into I means I cube. The value of I square is a negative 1 into I. It means that I cube is equal to negative I. So here we can write, instead of I cube, negative I. We can give the reason I cube is equal to negative I. Now open the brackets. X into 1, x plus x into 3xi, y into 2 plus 2y, y into negative I, yi, positive negative, minus 5 minus I is equal to 0. Now we want to compare the numbers. So what we'll do, shift this negative 5 and negative I to the RHS side. And write down the I terms at the one side. X plus 2y. See, this x, this 2y plus 3xi minus yi. And shift this negative 5 to that side, so it becomes positive. Negative I, we are shifting it this side, so negative 5 becomes positive 5. Negative I becomes positive I. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 terms. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 terms. Okay. Now, x plus 2y, this is the real part because it doesn't contain any I term. Here, we will take out the I common. 3x minus y into y. Check 3xi. Say negative yi is equal to 5 plus I. Now compare both the sides. Therefore, x plus 2y is equal to 5 and 3x minus y into I is equal to I. X plus 2y is equal to 5 and this I and I get cancelled. So 3x is equals, 3x minus y, this I and I get cancelled. So what's remaining here? If you will shift this I to that side, so 1 is remaining there. 3x minus y and this I will shift this I to this side. So I upon I will get the value as if generally we were directly writing. कारण तिथे एखादा टर्म ऑलरेडी असायचे. ठीक आहे, पण आता इथे टर्म नाही म्हणून आपल्याला 1 लिहावं लागेल तिथे. आता परत आपल्याला दोन इक्वेशन्स मिळाले. जर मला x किंवा y कॅन्सल करायचे त्यांचे कोएफिशियंट्स म्हणजे पुढचे नंबर सेम पाहिजे. इथे 1 आहे तर इथे 3 आहे, इथे 2 आहे तर इथे निगेटिव्ह आहे. मग आपण y ला इक्वल करू, पण हा पॉझिटिव्ह आहे हा निगेटिव्ह लवकर कॅन्सल होईल. इक्वेशन नंबर 1, इक्वेशन नंबर 2. multiply equation 2 by 2. We get, what we get? Now multiply this equation by 2. 3 into 2. 6x minus 2y is equal to 2. Equation number 3. Now do the addition. Add equation 3 and 2, or no, sorry, 1 and 3. Add equation 1 and 3. What is the first equation? The first equation is x plus 2y is equals to 5, and the third equation is 6x minus 2y is equal to 2. Now see, 6x plus x, 7x, 5 plus 2, 7. Therefore, the value of x is 1. Therefore, put x is equal to 1 in equation 1. We can put it in any equation. We will get the same value. Therefore, 1 plus 2y is equals to 5. Therefore, 2y is equal to 5 minus 1 is equals to 4. 5 minus 1, 4. Therefore, y is equal to 4 upon 2. Therefore, y is equals to 2. But we don't want to find out the value of x and y. The last question is find x plus y. So we can write here, therefore, x plus y is equal to 2 plus 1 is equal to 3. X plus y is equals to 3. So here we have completed the first exercise. The remaining sums are for your practice. Do it well. And dear student, the next part is reduced from your syllabus. So after this 1.1, we are going to start the 1.2.